trip for China can start. After a really long trip, 13 hours of trip, I finally arrived to China, Shanghai. So let the fun begin.
Go. Yeah.
That's it. Okay. They just took all my 10 fingerprints. Those are my hosts here in China. Hey guys, it's Nemanja and welcome to this fun episode. This is more vlog-like because I'm right now in China, in Shanghai, and I came here to give a speech to Chinese students about creativity and my creative journey. I'm in my hotel room right now. I need to change my clothes to get downstairs to wait for a driver, and then we will go to a concert hall where I will give a speech. Right now, let's change some clothes. So this is it, guys. Let's go downstairs. I'm here backstage in the concert hall, so let me show you what we will have today. Those are the students that I will give a speech, and this is my translator, and yes, and that's it. Do this. Okay. The speech is over and now we are in a hotel to get a dinner. You rotate the table and choose the food you want to eat, and then use the chopsticks to eat the food. Those are special eggs that you can find only in China. It's a duck. Good morning, guys. It's a new day today. Yesterday I didn't record it too much after the speech because I was so tired from the trip and from the conference. So after the speech we went straight up to dinner. It was a really nice experience. I tried a lot of new food, and after that I went straight to bed. Now I need to pack my suitcase. I'm leaving this hotel right now, and also I need to find a SIM card for my phone because I need to have internet while I'm out of the hotel. And then I will go to meet my friend who lives here in Shanghai, and we will go explore the city a little bit. Let's go to new adventure. And this is my friend, and now we have a problem. We need to pack this suitcase and two guys on this small motorcycle. So now we will see. Almost there.
That's it. And go, sit.
Not allowed in China. And we're here. Finally, we made it with the suitcase and two guys on a motorcycle. And he will go with a scooter into elevator because he parks his scooter in apartment. Okay. This is crazy. I never saw this before. this guy is a professional bike rider and he makes bike from bamboo. And this guy right here is professional photographer. Pasta and some smoothies.
Yeah, I told you. I already ordered it for you.
Okay.
Right?
What's your poison?
Chocolate cake. Yeah.
We are now going to photography paradise, photography playground.
Opa.
We are currently exploring the center of Shanghai. This is the main touristic area, so look at it.
So now we are going to Lubangu camera market. So that's the biggest one in Shanghai, like 2 buildings. One building is for the new cameras and second building is for the second-hand equipment. So soon you'll see how it looks like.
Guys, we are here and the whole building, this whole building is just the photo equipment. It's crazy. And the second building over there is the second-hand photo equipment. So let's go inside. Right guys, when you come into China in a camera store and you're a serious buyer, then they will give you a tea, so cheers. Guys, I just bought this bag and a few more interesting things inside, so here you can spend a ton of money. So we're finished with this place and now we're going to another interesting place with more technology gadgets, so let's go. And we just arrived in front of another big building and it's electronic marketplace, really huge.
Okay, that's it.
Guys, we have 4 or 5 floors, big floors, full of gadgets and things. It's really crazy to be here, and you can spend all the money you have if you're a geek like 2 of us. So we hope that we will not spend too much money here, actually, at least as we can. Just necessary things, like everything. And that's it. I'm done for today. Tomorrow back home. That's it guys, it's a new day. I'm going back home to Serbia, and my friend is staying here in Shanghai, and another friend is taking me with a scooter. almost to the airport. So let's go. I'm going to catch a Maglev. It's a magnetic train that will drive me to the airport. This is Maglev, a magnetic train that goes 300 kilometers per hour. So let's go. I think that this is maximum speed that this train goes, but it's crazy fast. I never